Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete all Snapchat messages easily. So first, let's go to our Snapchat. Now from there, go to your messages. Now if you want to delete your conversation, just press down your friend and then select this one. Now if you want to just delete it, you can select this, and if you want to schedule, you can select this one. Now if you want to delete all at once, you can go to your profile and then go to your settings and scroll all the way down, and you will see here, click this one, and now from there you have the fully control to delete the conversation from your friends, and then you just have to select this and finally select the clear option, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.